time, and I don't wanna be.
Good morning, guys. So it's already 10:49 a.m. and today is Monday, September 13, 2021, and I decided na mag-workout ngayong morning. So ngayon, ang gagawin ko lang is maglilinis ng room. As you can see, ayan, magulo. And workout muna ako, then linis ng room. So magpapalit ako ng curtains and all. So yeah, let's go.
Every time, when my eyes get so attached, when I know that we're gonna crash. Now I wish I could turn you back into someone I never had. You were different from the rest, 'cause you didn't hide imperfections from the eye.
So yun, tapos na ako sa workout ko. Kapagod, besh. Parang hindi ko kaya mag 2 times a day workout. Pero kaya yan, fighting lang. So, it's already 11:35. So, mga 12, magla-lunch na ako. Okay, hi guys. So, look what I got today. So, dumating na yung order ko ng 9.9 sale. May dress din akong binili, pero bukas ko na lang ipapakita yun kasi hindi ako nakaayos today. So, the first thing that I got is this belt, or I don't know, pero dito yan sa waist. And yung kinuha kong size is medium. So, yun lang siya, guys. Sakto lang ata siya. Okay, so sakto lang siya. Next is, I also got another ano to? Case. Phone case. Awan ko. Nahihilig ako sa phone case lately. Ooh, this one. This one. Super cute. And this one din. Kahapon na isip ko, look at this. Super cute, oh. So, tatlo yung phone case ko na dumating. This one, sobrang cute din ito.
Time to look at you after all that we've been through, wondering how you can do it. Kissing and queer with
Andito ako sa bahay. Andito nga ako sa bahay. Oh, sige. Oh, oo nga! Gising nga! Gising nga! Nag-chat nga, kukutungan kita eh. Paano nung takoyaki? Anong gusto? Flavor? Sige, send mo sa akin. Sige. Sige. Bye-bye, love you. Okay, hi guys! So today is August 14. Ano ba? Ba't August? So today is September 14 and ayan, nag-ayos ako kasi meron akong shoot ngayon. And it's already 1 p.m. So 1 p.m. ang galing ko talaga. Kanina maganda pa yung araw ngayon, hindi ko alam. So, anyway, dumating yung order ko kanina from Shopee. And ito siya, guys, yung... Okay. Okay. I like it. Medyo nalilito ako sa pag-ikot niya. So, as you can see, hindi pantay yung aking kulot. Yung isa pa ganon, yung isa paloob. So, ayaw mo na siyang ganyan. Anyway, hindi naman siguro na mahalata yan. So, yeah. Magpa-practice pa ako. So, magpa-photoshoot na tayo for set appeal. So, yeah. Let's go. By the way, look at my dress. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong na nabili ko from Shopee. Wait lang. Look at my dress. It's so pretty. Like, oh my god. Sobrang ganda ng dress na to. Nabili ko from Shopee. Anyway, so yeah. Shinare ko lang sa inyo. Photoshoot na tayo. Anyway guys, I received a package from Relax Official. And ito siya guys. Super laki niya. Super laki niya guys, I swear. Tadan! Ayan guys, yung na-receive ko from Relax. And ayan. Ito yung new Relax Essential Blue Glow nila. So, ayan. Thank you so much again, Relax Official. Oh my god. So, zip, pansit. Ito yung mismong device. If I'm not mistaken, ito yung device. And ito yung mga pads nila. And, okay, wait. Hold on. And this one is yung mga pang work from home essentials. So, ayan, keyboard. And this one is for neck massager or pang-massage siya sa neck. So, for relaxing. Earpods, what do you call this? Anong tawag dito? Leather, basta ek-ek. So, yan. And this one, stand, pang-stand, and pillow.
We'd be walking in the moonlight, staying up till sunrise. Baby, you can let your walls come down. We'd be dancing in the corner, sleeping on my shoulder. You can come and have it all with me, if you want it, baby. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. You got it bad, like I got it bad for you. Let me tell you about the way that I've been thinking about us. Yeah, you wanted honesty, but couldn't find someone you could trust. So let me be your go-to. I could be the one who gives you everything you want and more. I've been sitting on the sideline, waiting till the time's right. There's something about this moment, feels so pure. So I gotta know if you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. So give me your moment, show me that baby it's out for it. It's out for it. So give me your moment, show me that baby it's out for it. It's out for it. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad, like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad.
who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Let me do what I do best. Slow down, let me talk to you. Don't tell me about your worries, I ain't staying till the afternoon. I liked you in proximity, but now that's so far from the truth. I loved you from a distance, now I can't even stay close to you. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirloom. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been chasing secrets in your heirlooms. Calculating all the aftermath. Now a nemesis, a menace in my mind, but protagonist in all my drink, concealing all my doubts. I need healing in this drought. I've been singing to the ceiling, learning how to live with doubt. But I hear you calling my name, the feelings we couldn't contain, falls that we had were made. There really no one to blame. My actions that came from blame. I trust you, but now it's a race. If I could, I call you, I tell you I need you. I wouldn't know what else to say. But who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms. Who do I call if it ain't you? Tell me who to call if it ain't you. I've been pacing circles in my bedroom. I've been tracing secrets in your heirlooms.
Hi guys, I'm back, and today is September 16 and it's already 1:23 PM. So kahapon di ako masyado nakapagsalita dahil umuulan, so maingay. So ayan, nag-quick photoshoot lang ako for the brands. And then ngayon mag-edit ako sa Canva for my photo book. So, mag-edit kasi ako ng mga pictures na i-upload ko para sa photo book. So, gagamit ako ng Canva para mas maganda yung layout ng mga pictures na gagamitin ko for photo book. So, here's my setup right now. Ayan. September 17 and it's already 1 p.m. So anyway, dumating na yung order ko from Shopee. So I got my new notebook. So pastel purple, pastel blue, and pastel pink. So bumili ako ng tatlong notebook for my journal. Also, I got 3, I don't know kung ballpen ba to or parang mechanical pencil yung nabili ko. Kasi akala ko nung nabili ko siya, ballpen. Pero mechanical pencil pala siya. So, tatlong mechanical pencil binili ko. I also got another memo pad. So, this one naman is for my daily schedule. So, ayan. May date na siya. May checklist and may memo.
control when you call me, baby. If I go down this road, you know you're coming with me.
Hello. So, tapos ako magsulat. Then, oh my God. Lalagyan ko ng tempered. Ay, ano ba? Lalagyan ko ng tempered yung aking phone. So, bumili din ako sa Shopee ng tempered glass. Maganda naman yung touch niya. I mean, wala namang naging problema sa touch niya. So, yeah. Ano gusto niya? Pag-cover ko siya. Say hi ka sa kanila. Hello, guys.